Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to get raid medals on Clash of Clans. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. The Clan Capital update introduced the COC community to raid weekends. These are clan events that can be accessed through the Events tab and hold a similarity to Clan War Leagues. And with the arrival of raid weekends, the raid medals came into the fray. As mentioned earlier, raid weekends hold a similarity to Clan War Leagues. The only difference is that raid weekends reward you with raid medals while the CWL rewards you with league medals that can be used in the league shop. Raid medals are rewarded in two ways. Here's how you can get them in COC. You get 5 initial attacks in the entire raid weekend. An additional attack is also awarded once you successfully 3-star a clan district. You have to attack and get the best possible result in all of them, since that determines how many raid medals you get from the attack log. The second way that you get medals is through the defense log of the weekend. As many successful defenses your clan manages to make will reward your clan with raid medals, which will then be distributed among the members evenly. The rewards will only be given at the end of the raid weekend. So if you are looking to get the medals in the middle, you will not be able to collect them. The defense layout of the clan is done by the leader or co-leader, so your successful defense might not entirely be in your hands. The medals can be used to purchase resources and magic items in the trader's shop and can be used to fill your clan castle troops. That's all you need from this guide on how to get raid medals in Clash of Clans. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.